Good morning, everybody. It is Tuesday, October 8th, and I thought I'd start the vlog this morning. I just got out of bed. I am exhausted today. I have no idea why. Yeah, so I just have a couple things to do today. We might have a fun event tonight. We will see if the person I'm going somewhere with wants to be vlogged. And if they do, we'll vlog it. So yeah, welcome to my day. Little bit of a mess right now. I had chocolate explode in my work bag last night, so I need to clean all of that up and put it back in my work bag. And yeah, I'm gonna clean all this up now and probably make a cup of coffee, and we'll get started with our day. Okay guys, so that is the counter all cleaned up, and then the only things that are left are this is to go back upstairs, and then my keys and my wallet practically just live here, so those aren't gonna move. Next I have some clean dishes to put away that are dry, that can't go in the dishwasher. Gonna pop some toast in the toaster for my breakfast because last night I made some apple pie jam stuff because we have so many apples left. This is the bit that didn't fit in that jar, so I'm gonna use that on my toast, and then I think I'm gonna make a cup of coffee to make it a complete and balanced breakfast. So here is how my toast and coffee came out. I'm just gonna snack on this and then we will get started with the rest of the day. Hey guys, so it's been a minute since we last talked. I just went and got my oil changed, and I had to go switch out my screen protector because I got a new phone, so I needed a new glass protector that would protect it. I pretty much didn't do anything. I had some lunch, I had some carrots, and then I cut up one of our apples from yesterday and ate one of those and snacked on it. And then right now I'm having another cup of coffee and a sparkling water, and I'm burning up my leaves candle like every other girl in fall. Yeah, so I have some laundry to do. So we're gonna do that, and then we're probably gonna head on our little surprise thing that we're doing tonight. So yep, see you there. guys, so as you saw, I just got ready and we are going pumpkin picking. So we are gonna go with my best friend Adrian. We're gonna go at like 4:30 and then we're gonna go to her house and carve the pumpkins. It'll be super fun. And I just want to mention, so I did paint my nails and I used it's an Affair in Red Square by OPI. It is, focus, maybe. No, just on my face. It's an Affair in Red Square. It is one of my favorite reds. And since it's like officially fall, I thought maybe it's time for a red. I don't really love painting my nails. And then as you saw me got ready, the only thing I didn't show is that I put on just normal chapstick. And yeah, let's get ready to go. Also, can we freaking look how cute this cat is? Thanks. Binks, is it your time of year? Is it Binks time? Hi, sweetheart. He's so sleepy from not doing anything all day. And then Minnie is chilling on the stairs. Also taking a nap. Good morning, sweetheart. Good morning. How was your nap? Guys, these cats are so cute. I can't even. Also, guys, the spiders here are getting real serious. Can you see this? This whole thing is a spider web from one tree to another tree, and it goes all the way across, and it is huge. Ugh, gross. I'm also just gonna have a snack before we go, because I don't know if we're gonna eat or not, so I'm going to have a cut up apple and then throw some peanut butter on the side. Did you find a pumpkin you liked?
I did.
You did? Oh, perfect. Don't step on it. Concept versus reality, guys. How is yours going?
Taking my surgical glove off.
You've actually emptied it? Yeah. What the heck?
Yeah, well, I still have to find a design, so.
Oh, I haven't even started. Okay, we'll keep going and we'll update you there. Guys, this is my finished product. I gave up. It looks awful. Adrian says hers looks worse though, so we will see. Okay, this is Adrian's. We haven't seen them yet.
Okay.
Oh, he's cute.
No, I think he needs this more than I do.
Okay, ready for mine?
It's just a shit show. This is gonna be 10 times better. Wait, show this first.
Expectation versus reality.
Oh wait, that's adorable.
No, it's not. It looks
Shut
like
the front
crap.
door. Now let's turn the light off.
Oh look, it actually glows through better on camera. They're so cute. Yours is cuter than mine. Mine looks like crap.
The front door. That is not even true. This is adorable and
what? It's your pumpkin.
oh my gosh. I really just
awful video.
Okay, we're gonna try this again next week.
Good morning, everybody. It's a new day. I forgot to fold the laundry in this vlog, and it's still in. Well, actually, I folded it last night. There's a new batch in the dryer, but I thought I would throw that in here, and then I would come on to end the vlog because I didn't do that. Adrian came over again last night, and we roasted some pumpkin seeds, which were so good. But yeah, that's pretty much all that happened. Sorry I forgot to end the vlog, and I will see you guys in the next one. Enjoy the laundry folding.